Okay. Alrighty then. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Hello and welcome. It's live from Miami. I am Alberto German, and I'm going to be reading the market live, real time as it's happening, minute to minute, tick by tick, okay? For all of you right here at Capital Trade Center. In other words, in front of studio audience, just like we do every single day. Alrighty, so hang in there. It's Monday, right? Monday. All right, so let's see what do we have for today. Okay, so this is extremely important. Okay, the overall market direction, ladies and gentlemen, is slightly bullish. Believe it or not, after this drop all the way from 96, right? 96 to 70, 69, 70, right? These 25 points, okay, these 25 points are real. Okay, so the overall market direction is slightly bullish. We know that the market condition is in limbo. So we know, and it's Monday, right? So we know that we have to watch it, right? Okay, so we have a predetermined pivot resistance, 503. All right, that's the first resistance, my friends. Okay, that's the first resistance. Okay. 503. Okay, the high of this wave is 96. The low is this low right here, 69. All right, 69 is the low, and let's see what is the high. The high. What is the? Let's see what is the first support. Thank you, Mystic. Alrighty. Okay, so overall market direction, ladies and gentlemen, is slightly bullish. Price right now, 73, right? What's the price right now? Boom, here it is. Okay, 73. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay. So the 70, right? 73. The high of this wave is 96. The first target for the bulls that we are expecting to retrace is 503, and right. So we have a bullish bias. We are interested in buying support. Oh my God, Capi, look at these things going down 30 points, man. Are you out of your mind? What the hell are you talking about looking to buy? That's exactly what we're looking to do. Now, do we have to get married to that premise, Mystique? Just because I'm looking to buy right now doesn't mean that we have to continue looking to buy forever?
Of course not.
Of course not. We can change our mind and start looking to sell, right? In a minute, 2 minutes, 30 seconds, whatever.
Exactly.
It's up to the market. We'll do whatever the market says in terms of giving us the better chance to nail a trend. All right, and that chance, it's a long. Okay. So that one, ladies and gentlemen, is 64. 64 it is. Alrighty, good. So we have our channel, and we have our wave, and we have direction. Okay, and time right now is 9:08. Okay, price is 72.5. Right, look at this little thing right here. Okay, let's see what's going on here. All right, so we have a micro, what the hell is this? Hold on a second, that's not the one. We have this one right here, this little pivot high, 77. Okay. All right, here we go. Okie dokie. 69 is the low of the wave. Okay, and the overall market direction is slightly bullish, right? Clean break of this, right? Clean break of to the downside. Then 69 is gonna stop at first, and then clean break of 69. It'll go to, actually, unless we have a new rotation, it will not go to 64. Oh my, that's nothing. Capi, a little bit of volatility. It's gonna take it down to 64. That's only 5 points. Overall market direction is slightly bullish, ladies and gentlemen. So I am not expecting a break of that 69. If it does, we have to see it, all right? Okay. Alrighty. So welcome back, Lobo. All right. Hope I'm glad that you're back, right? So remember, focus, concentration. You know, no shenanigans. All right. Listen to every single word I said. Okay. And discipline and everything else, right? All right. So, what's the most important thing? Direction. What's the direction? We believe that the future direction is up. Oh, really? Yeah, that's right. Well, if we believe that the future direction is up, in other words, we don't believe that this 33-point decline in price is going to continue, right? Well, we're going to be right 100%? Of course not. All right, so what do we have right here as the low of this? We are in a wave right now, right? I'm waiting to see whether this is a bullish wave, a bearish wave, a standard wave, a snake wave. All right, but the low, regardless, is 69. Is the price going to break 69? What's the low right here? 7.5. Is it gonna break 69? Well, we're not expecting the price to break 69. If it does, which it could, right? Because if I can guarantee it, then I probably wouldn't be here. If it does, it's going to have a hard time going to 64 unless I change hats. Meaning, you know what? I have new information. There is a new rotation. There is a new channel. There is a new level. There are so many new key levels. There's so much new information that can come anytime that is going to make my calculation. Oh, you know what? That's it. The overall market direction is no longer slightly bullish. Now it's sideways, or now it's bearish. Until I say that, in our mind, we believe that this 33-point decline in price is just a trap for the the retail trader that is looking to sell because the price is going down. But again, we couldn't care less what the price has done. We're only interested in what's going to do. And the odds say that there is going to be a rally that we want to take advantage of. All right, so 69 is the low, clean break. It'll try to go to 64 and it'll try to go to 59 as well, right? Oh my God, that's gonna. I've seen it a million times, Mystique. Right? When the smart money is really vicious and they really want to destroy the retail trader, they're gonna squeeze you. It's gonna squeeze you as much as possible, and that's their job, is to squeeze us. Then our job is being able to tell that we are in a squeeze and not in a real move. That's our job, all right? So we've got to watch 69, 59, 64 right in the middle, right? That's pretty much it, okay? So, all right, so clear, everybody, right? So time right now, boom, 9:20. Okay, okie dokie. All righty then. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. All righty. Okay. Okay, this is what we want to pay attention to, okay? Of course, now the next issue is a matter of timing, right? Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah, they're gonna go up. Yeah. When? At the open, 9:45, 10, 10:15, 5 to 9:30. When are they gonna do this rally that I am envisioning it? Right? That's why we trade what we see, we trade what we think, we trade what we believe, we trade what we know, and we trade. That's pretty much it, right? I don't know, what else you want to trade? You know, it's more than enough. Okay, 5 minutes. 5 minutes to open. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the support 64 is now a range. 2-point range 66. All right, so you see what's going on. So bulls, they're gonna make it a little bit more difficult for the bears to run away with the price, right? Because now we have 64 and 66. All right. So in other words, clean break of 69. Of course, the momentum and the strength of the gunpowder at the open, right? It's gonna be looking to take it to 69, 59, 10 points, but it's not taking 64 and 66 easily. That's if there is a break of 69, which we're not expecting, all right? Okay. All righty then. We don't get married to any one forecast. That's my forecast that can change in the next 30 seconds. We see a clean break of 69, right? And it'll go to 66, right? And then we'll watch a 66, 64, and then at that point, we have to measure the strength of the break and the coming downtrend and the pullback, so that we can make a determination as to whether the bears to control, and indeed they're gonna continue taking it all the way to 59. 59 is target 1. 64 and 66 is by way of. Okay, time right now. 9:27, 3 minutes to open. Okay, alrighty then. So this is the. Okay, my friends, watch out. Okay. All right, like always. Big forces going on. The future, which is up, and the present, which is down, right? We can all see it. So what is that going to do to the open? It's going to chop 69, 77. We're going to have some chop right here. These 8 points, right? That's what's going to happen, right? If you measure everything, then it's normal that we're going to have this chop right here, 69, 77. Take it. Bears are counting on this 80 right here. They will do everything in their power to not let the price take 80. Alrighty? 80, in other words, is the trap for the bulls. Okay? So remember, we need to know not only what the price is going to do, but how it's going to do it, right? We told you, we're going to be in a chop right here. There's not going to be a clean break anytime soon. Longer term bullish, right? So we want to, right? So we want to be long the low right here. We're not expecting the price to break 69 and chop, finally test 77, break it, and then bulls are going to be confident, right? They're going to be confident at break of 77, and then they're going to then smart money is gonna start playing with their emotions. 70, 80 is gonna stop it.
Capi, I have a uppercut robot bowl.
Ah, okay. Alrighty then. Okay, what's the price right now? Right here, right? 71, right? 71. All of this is it's a pour, right? All of this is a pour, okay? That we're not expecting the price to take. Okay. Monday, no economic releases today, so there is easy manipulation today. So we have to count on the future in order to better manage whatever position we are. All right. So what if? Okay, we always have to be thinking. Oh, okay. So we definitely not expecting 69 to be broken, right? We believe that the move is up by this low right here, right? Right. This is beautiful right here. 70. Look at this 70 right here, right? Okay. Look at this 70 right here. Nice, right? 1 point to 69, right? Why? Because we're not expecting this level to be broken, but we're gonna have chops. So what does that mean? That means that scalpers are gonna get in, and right. So we're long already right here, 70, right?
Right.
70, 75, 5 points. There's traders that don't know the future. Those that don't know. They went long right here, 70, right? Because they, for whatever reason. But those that don't know that I am expecting a nice ride to the upside, they're gonna be scalping. They don't want to take a chance, right? So they went ahead and they took a shot long right here, this beautiful 70, right, with us, and it's 5 points. They're locking 5 points right here. Not that it's a bad idea because this is the open, right? Okay, but so all in, all out scalpers, they're having fun taking these 5 points because after all, it is a micro double top, right? That's where the price went at the open, right? So that's easy right here, 75. Oh yeah. Okay, we want to be in the trade a little longer because we have future intention of the trend, the fit. Don't fight the fit. Alrighty? Okay. Is it gonna be one straight line? No. Look at the pullback from 75, right? Okay. The definition of chop. Right? Okay. That's what we're going to have. Remember, not only we need to know where the price is going, but how it's going to get there. How is the price going to behave, at all time? We need to know that stuff. All right? We never let a winner turn into a loser. Okay? Smart money is pulling back the price to take the stops of all those bulls that don't have a plan. Right, like we do. We have a plan, right? We believe that the longer play is long, but we also know that this thing can destroy 69, and we know where it's going, right? We know that 64 and 66 are going to stop it, right? But clean break of 69, we have to see how it does it, right? Because we cannot want to risk these 3 points and 2 more, right? 3 and 2, so that's 5 points. That's too much. We don't want to risk that. So we have to, play it, the best we can. Alrighty, okay. Bulls are determined they'll continue defending the low of our wave. Okay? All right, so let's see. Okay, so that's 77, right? Remember, 77 is the first resistance. Okay? It's the first resistance. It's a pivot high. Okay? but that's not one of our CTC major resistance. All right, ours is 3 more points above 80. 80, my friends, gonna stop it. Okay. Okay, and this is what we have to trade, right? So our 70 long give us a nice ride all the way to 77, 75, right? So it gives us 7, 8 points. And we know 77 is the first resistance. Here it is. We were expecting the price to break it and give us 88, and we knew that 88, in other words, this action right here, that's the one that we were expecting off of 80, not 77. Bears just jumped the gun because they FOMO. They knew the strength of 80. They knew the price is not going to take 80. And the price is going to continue on the current downtrend. And that's exactly what happened right now. So that's the present, which is okay. We trade the present also. But we are more interested in the future. All right, so what do you think just happened right here? Boom, look at that. It took the entire morning all the way until it took them 16 minutes to go to give us 8 points, and it lost those 8 points in a couple of minutes. Look at this drop right here. What does that tell you? What I've been telling you. We are in a condition called limbo. All righty? So it's Monday. There is a lot of manipulation today. Reduce your size and don't let any shenanigans, don't let the smart money play with you. All right? So calm, cool, and collected. All of this, we were expecting it. All right? All right? And we know the strength of 69. We know it. Right? We know that the future, the longer term, it's, let me see. Yeah, it is still slightly bullish. So what do you think the price is doing right now? It's taking everybody out. All right? Who the hell is going to go long our 69.70 right here after that drop? It scares the hell out of the weak trader. Those that don't know the future, what do you think happened right now? They got taken out easily. We, on the other hand, we're not changing hats. We still believe that the move that we want to take advantage of is the rally that we're going to be taking over and over and over and over again until it breaks 77, go to 80. That's a total target. We have to totally lock 80, and we're going to continue unless I get some new information that the bears indeed took over, and now the smart money decided to eventually break 69 before it breaks 80. Then we're going to change hats, and we're going to be looking to short resistance, right, as the main play. Until I tell you that, we stay with the original plan that I've been calling since 9 a.m. Buy the hell out of every single support. This 8-point drop here, it doesn't scare us. It scares the retail trader. They scare money, right? Those traders that just don't know the future, right? What do you think? They get scared. We, on the other hand, see the pullback. We know there is no new rotation. There is the overall market direction remains bullish. So what do? When we see this pullback, this drop, then we start salivating, because as long as we continue believing that the price is going to go to 80 before it's going to break 69, and then the price give us this opportunity to go back long again, the low. Now we have another one, risk-reward ratio extremely beautiful, because a clean break of 69, we get the hell out, right? And what is it that we're expecting? So that's the stop. What's the target? It's 80. All right, so you tell me, right? From 69 to 80, that's 11 points. And a break of 69, right? 69, 68, 67, 75, 1, 2 point. That's 1 to 11 reward risk. I'll take that any minute. Of course, we need to know the future. If we don't know the future, who the hell is going to buy this beautiful pullback? It's very difficult to do it if you don't know that the odds are that this pullback is going to bounce and it's going to give us another beautiful rally. And this time, ladies and gentlemen, where to? Boom, 78.5. Right in the middle of 77, 80, 3 points was the mid-range. 77.5 exactly to the tick. That's what we do here. Don't think for 1 second that this 33-point downtrend, is not to be taken into consideration, right? All right. I know. All right. So I'm just saying. Okay. We're not gonna let this smart money shake us out. On the contrary, but do not underestimate that 33 points downtrend that we had all pre-market, all the Globus time. Don't underestimate it. They can easily take control again. All right? All right. And if they do, our job is to be able to recognize when the bears came again and took complete control. And then the future is that, no, the break is going to be 69. Oh, okay, then we change that completely and trade the new information. All right? Until that happens, we stay with the plan. All right? That's my job right here, is to be able to capture the footprints that the smart money leave behind, so that we're not caught by surprise. All right? Look at that, 78. What do you think? Of course, a whole bunch of traders are scalping, right? Look at this, from 69, 70, right, all the way to 78, half this time. They're scalping 8 points again. We are scalping 8 points. We made 8 points here. We made 8 points here, and we are still, right? Because the difference between the professional trader is that we let it ride. Are we gonna get it right 100% of the time? Of course not. So what do? Whatever units we have left, we get the hell out if we have to change hats to bear. That's as simple as that. Well, it sounds simple. It is not. Okay, so I ask you, all of you, right? What is what we are really after? Okay? As long as we are bullish, what is it that we're really after? What do you think? Yeah, 500. 500. 96, 503, exactly. Right? What's in the middle, Sean? 500. That's what we're after. How long is it going to take? The entire morning? So be it. All right? That's the difference between us, professional traders, those of us who do this every single day for the last 36 years, right? And the newcomers. Okay? All right. Sure. I mean, depending on certain market conditions, we also do all in, all out. It depends on the market. What's the mood of the market? What's the mood of the market? Remember that the market is a living entity. It's alive. It's alive. Right? So, so we have to, so we have to take it into consideration. Alrighty, so, okay, so that's, that's a, right, so 79, right, okay, that's a little bit better, right, okay, so It looks like we are on the right side of the angels, doesn't it? All right. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, 80 just became stronger. Oh my God, really? That's right. Now 80 is no longer 80 alone. 80 is now a 4-point range. 80, 84. 80, 84. Okay, that's the next resistance. Okay, 80, 84. In other words, the bears, they're gonna fight it. They're gonna fight it all the way, my friends. Okay, so what's our system? Counter trend. We totally going to be looking to counter trend a strong resistance. All right. Right. Oh my God, Capi, I don't counter trend, man. I know it's tough to remain long, but I just want to trade in the direction of the main play, which is the one that you've been calling all morning long. I'm going to stay long, and I'm going to ride this baby all the way to 500, to 96 and 503, man. I'm not going to take any chances. I'm not counter trending. Well, I'll tell you this. Really consider it, okay? Because the fact that 80 just became a little bit stronger, it's a range, it's a 4-point range right now, tells me that the bears, they're not gonna make it easy on the bulls to let the price go all the way to 500. All right, it's gonna take a while. All right, no, I don't have anywhere to go. I'm not gonna go play tennis or any, or golf. I'll stay here until I get my 500 and my 503, until I milk the market. I don't care if it's 500, 80, 90, 95, 96. I don't care. I'm going to milk the market. That's what I came here for. That's what I came here today and tomorrow and day after tomorrow and every single day. Boom. All right? That's 80 to the tick, isn't it? Okay. 80 to the tick. Target 1. Right? From 70, 80. So we have 10 points, official 10 points. No, Capi, I'm going to ride this thing. Well, okay, let's go ahead and trail it then. Let's trail it, yeah. I want to take my target 184. Well, I tell you what, Capi, you know what I'm going to do? What? What are you going to do? I'm going to do a mid-range. Now that target 1, the lowest 80, and the highest 84, I'll take a mid-range, man. 82. I'm not trading scare money. I'll let it ride to 82. That's what I came here for. If the overall market direction is slightly bullish, you've been telling us since 9 a.m. this morning, be long, stay long, buy support. Let it ride. Direction is up. Entry location is the low of the wave. The stop is a break of 69. Therefore, the risk-reward ratio is unbelievably in totally on our favor, because we are nailing the entry from the very beginning of the new trend. Boom! This one right here. What else do you want? Target 80. Boom! Hey, we don't have to get out 80. Look, it just became a 4-point. So even if I get out 84, it's still target 1, and that's terrific. Okay, well, I'll do 82, man. The mid-range, because after all, I'm just up 12 points now on my first unit right here. 82, 12 points, my first unit, and I have 2 units left. Are you kidding me? I'm going to let those 2 units ride all the way to 96 and 503. That's my plan, Capi. Hey, terrific. That's exactly what I want. That's exactly what I think the market is going to do. Remember, you are the trader. I'm not a trader. I'm just a guy that's been reading the S&P 500 for 37 years now. And my job is to tell you what the market is going to do. You are the trader. You pull the trigger, and you are the one that's got to manage your own position. I don't claim to be a Lamborghini, Ferrari, guru. No, I'm not. I just read the market for you. So that's what I think the market is going to do. You, the trader, you are the one that has to have the discipline to follow and manage your position in accordance to what the options are, according to what the odds are, what the market is going to do. Alrighty? Okay, so let's be clear on that. But the title is amazing. The Disciplined Trader, are you kidding me? That's an amazing title, right? But that doesn't do anything if you don't have a consistently profitable trading system. All right. Okay. Psychology. We all know psychology is extremely. One of these days, I'm gonna write a book about psychology because it's really important. It's gonna be about 2 pages long. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so I believe that's 88.75, right? So 88.75 from our long right here, 70, 88, that's 17 points. All right? Okay, good. So target 1 officially, right? We're out here, 84, 87, right? And this is a counter trend, sure. This one, right? Counter trend. No, Capi, I told you I'm not going to take counter trend. It's okay, you don't have to. But remember, just take it with the micros. All right? I'm not expecting the price to clean break 88. That's not going to happen. Let me rephrase that. The odds that the price is going to clean break 88, they're not high. That's why considering taking a counter trend short here, it's an okay idea. Remember, the main play is long, and we're going to target 296. Okay, we just made 17 points, and we are after 88, 96. We are after 11 more points. That's what we're after. Target 2 is 96. So we are after 11 more points. Exactly, Capi. That's why I'm not going to counter trend 88 right here. 88, 89, 90. No, man. Because this thing, I've seen how the price do exactly what you said 90% of the time. So I'm not going to step in front of that target 2. In other words, in front of this beautiful uptrend that we nailed 3 times this morning. All right. I understand. I'm telling you. We just made 17 points. We have 2 units left, 96 and 503. The price is not going there in a straight line. Why not take advantage of the pullback that is gonna be coming? All right. We don't need this 82 anymore. The mid-range, right? And we don't need this 80 either. Okay, boom. 84. Okay, 84 is the real thing. Okay, and then we can 77. These were all temporary resistance that got taken beautifully, right? Okay. All right. 84 stays. Okay, clean break of that 84, beautiful 84 that took the price all the way to 88, 87.5, makes this 84 support. Resistance, trading 101 becomes support. 84 now for us, bulls, those of us who want to ride this position all the way to 500 and such, then we're going to be watching this 84 really closely. Now remember, smart money knows that a lot of traders have their stop right there. We don't have a stop right there. The hell are you talking about? Trading stop? Well, we'll be taken in a faster than a speeding bullet, right? Look at that, boom, 84, right? So I'm telling you, it's worth considering taking that counter trend short right here, 87, okay? Look at that. Price broke, 86, 87, right? This is gonna be some chop action right now, 84, 88, 89, right? Normal. Then smart money is gonna try to take 84 so that they can take the stops of the weak bull, and we're gonna take advantage of it, all right? We're gonna piggyback on their stop fishing. We're gonna piggyback on it with our counter trend short right here, 87, 88, 86, right? So we are looking forward for this smart money to actually take the 84, take all this stuff, take 84, take 83, 82, 80, all of this, take it, because as the smart money is taking all those supports, which are where the weak have their stop, then we're gonna piggyback on it in our counter trend short. Because remember, we are here to take advantage of every single move the market does, the ebb and flow. We're gonna be long the ebb and we're gonna be short the flow. We are long 70 and we are short 87. That's what we do every single day. Eventually the price is gonna go back, test the high, break 88, that's it, we're done. We're not counter trend short anymore, and we continue managing our main play position all the way to 96. Right? Exactly. And that's, my friend, is how the cookie crumbles in this business. All right? Take advantage of every single move the market does so that we can hit the action from every angle. No fear. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have a new resistance. It's 89. It's just a buck above this high of day 87.5. 89. It's either gonna stop the price cold, or it's gonna be nicely taken. So in other words, remember, not only we need to know what the price is gonna do, where it's going, how it's gonna get there, and in my humble opinion, 89 just came to the picture, and 89 has a certain okay, oops, hold on a second. 89, right? 89 has okay, all right. It's a level that for the price to take it, right? It needs to be destroyed, okay? And that's beautiful for our main play loan, right? Because that's exactly what we want, right? So, but it is really strong, okay? Stronger than this high of day 87.5. So this 89, in other words, is still another opportunity for a counter trend short. And it's going to be better because then the chop is going to be wider. Right now the chop is 84, 87. So once the price goes to 89, it's going to be wide. It's going to be 84, 89, right? So that counter trend is gonna give the bears a little bit more a bigger move all the way to 84. And remember, Goldman, they're totally thinking about breaking 84 to take foot out of the table of the not so much professional trader. Okay. All righty. Right? Okay, so I told you, right? Price is going to 89. It's going to stop it cold. Isn't that what I said? That's exactly what I said. So you take a shot short 89 right here. Look at that. Price goes to 89 quarter, giving us one tick of room so that we can take advantage of that counter trend short 89, which we knew was going to stop cold the price. And this is what I mean when I say it's going to stop at call. It's going to be a razor sharp entry, and then it's going to give us a nice, quick, swift action, stop, break even, start trailing. And now, ladies and gentlemen, remember the other thing that I told you. Now we have a bigger range here, 84, 89, right? So 5 points. And right, so let's go ahead and measure this thing here since we took it, right? Okay, right, and we know that the smart money is looking to take the stops of all those scared money, weak money, impatient money, greedy money, all those people that don't know, right? The delusional money, and we're gonna take advantage of it. That's why we took a risk here, and that's why we took this short counter trend, right? To take advantage of the smart money that we know are in their stop fishing of all, taking all the stops of all the weeks right here. Oh, okay. So in other words, we are always in sync with them. Long the main play and taking advantage of their trickery as they take the stops of all the weak traders. Alrighty? Okay, so we're always with them. Not to mention that, right? Not to mention that sometimes a counter trend ends up being the beginning of a new trend, right? We all know that smart money can easily destroy 84 and not look back ever again to the upside, right? Boom, right? See, this is what I told you exactly we wanted to take advantage of this counter trend. Okay, so is the price doing exactly what I've been telling you for the past 5 minutes, 10 minutes, half an hour, hour and a half, all the way since 9 a.m. That's how this is done. Period. That's it, period. And you are the trader. You are the one that pulls the trigger. You are the trader. I'm just a reader. I'm just a forecaster. That's all I am. All right? Then you listen to those words really good and then, manage your stuff. Look at that. This Goldman Sachs, these people are laughable, man. They're so predictable. It's unbelievable. Look at that. Takes 84 all the way to 82.75. Takes all the stops of the week. We are beautifully taking advantage of it. We know that as long as I don't change hats, we know that the odds are still that they're going to continue going up, but not before they take the food out of the mouth of their kids. All right? Boom. That's exactly what they're doing right now. And I got to tell you, we are doing it with them. All right. So beautiful, right? 89 all the way to 82.75. We're going to call it 83. 6 points. Counter trend. Right? So we get to make 6 points as the main play long continue going to our target 2. Think about that. How long it took. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes. Those 10 minutes, we took advantage of it. Think about it. It's beautiful. It doesn't get any better than that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's pretty close to our target 2, right? 94.5. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, correct me if I'm wrong, but is that 96 to the tick? Is it? All right, ladies and gentlemen, so that's target 296 officially tested. That gives us 26 points from our beautiful entry loan at the beginning of this beautiful uptrend, right? 96. And we are on our way to where? We are on our way to, remember, the market is dynamic, trends are changing all the time, right? Support, resistance, all that stuff, right? 96 is target 2. Right. Okay. And we have our target tier 3, 503. And of course, a lot has happened since 9 a.m. this morning when I call direction up, entry location, the low of the wave, targets 1, 2, and 3, right? Position size, counter trends. A lot has happened. What time it is right now? It's at 10:49, right? So, is 503 still target 3? Well, so far it is. I could change it anytime. I can lower it, I can leave it there, or I can raise the level. I don't know. I have to wait for Goldman to call me and tell me where exactly is where they want to go. Then I'll tell you. All right. So this is important. You know that our system calls for trading 10 contracts, right? 10 contracts. You can trade 20, 30, 40, 50. It's up to you. It's not on my business. As a matter of fact, everything here is for educational purposes only, right? If you do trade real money, you are 100% responsible of whatever you do. The system itself is designed for 10 contracts, Now, 20, 30 is the same. The idea is the following. 10 contracts, 3 units. Each unit has a number of contracts, right? So unit 1, 3, unit 2, 3, and unit 3, 4. So that's 3, 3, 4. That's 10, right? 3, 3, 4. 3, 4, 3. That's 10, right? When I do 12, it's okay. That's 4, 4, 4. The idea is that we get out officially 3 targets and 1 more when we nail a trend. We want to take advantage of that trend. So target unit 3 has 4 contracts. You don't have to get all out. If I leave 503 target 3, you don't have to get all out 503. You can take 2 and still have 2 more and just let it ride. All right? Stop, break even, and trail it. Trail. Right? Okay, that's very important. Okay, because we do really want to take advantage of the fact that when we nail a trend, that we milk that as much as possible, because we don't get trending days as much as we get sideways action. All right. So when we do nail a trend, so that when the market actually trends on, we have a system that can call it on. We have the discipline to let it ride. You've got to take advantage of it all the way. That, my friend, is how this is done. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, all right. So we're good, right? Right. Just a point below our target 3. And that's exactly what we wanted, right? So you want to go play tennis, you want to play golf. We already made 33 points, and it's only 11:20, right? We know that chop began right now, so we're not gonna let the the smart money. Check us out, right? You all know that all our targets are automatic counter trend. So those of you who are counter trend right here, the 500, right? I mean, that's yeah, that's so clear, that counter trend right there. Enjoy it, all right? Just enjoy it. Remember, support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support, and pretty much we are done for today, ladies and gentlemen. Remember that we want to make in 2 hours what most people make in 2 months. And remember, everything we do here is live, real time, as it's happening. It's the only way that I would trust a guide telling me what the market is going to do. If it shows me live, real time, as it's happening, right? Otherwise, because if it's not live, pretty much we know that something's fishy, right? All those trading gurus want to be teaching after the fact, and some of them are even more cruel. They tell you that they're live, but they are teaching after the fact. All right. So have common sense. You need to understand that this business is packed with, traders, wannabes, and fake gurus, right? A dime a dozen. So the only thing left to do is, any guru that is trying to sell you a bogus, crappy course, trading education, tell him, hey, listen, prove to me that this garbage course that you're selling me is any good. And the only way that you can prove it to me, read the market live, real time. Period. That's it. P&Ls can be Photoshop, and after the fact is laughable. Please don't teach me after the fact. Teach me live, real time, on a daily basis. If it's not live, it's not real.